This is us.
Yes, I don't know what.
Made it through the rain,
Yeah.
up this high mountain.
Yeah, now we're going into the valley.
Lots of mud.
We're gonna have a malt. Num num num. After getting to Lake Morena, we heard rumors that the snowstorm was going to be worse than we thought. It started out at 1 to 3 inches, and then 3 to 6, 6 to 8, and then 8 to 12 inches of snow. And Jody and I knew we couldn't hike fast enough to get to safety before we get swamped with the conditions that we're not accustomed to. So we got to ride. We got to ride all the way up to Mt Laguna, where we hunkered down for 3 days. We got to meet a whole bunch of interesting people that were following us and we're following them on Instagram. We started out with Pam and Henry here on the first day, and we got to meet up with them as well and have dinner with them. Mark, we met him at Hauser Creek. He's in the red shirt. And this, I believe this is Ed. I can't remember his name for some reason, but he is a full, energetic guy. And on that Thursday, we decided, hey, the weather's clearing up enough, let's get going. But I didn't realize in the afternoon there was going to be 25 to 30 mile an hour winds on the backside of the day. This turned out to be one of our more difficult days in the afternoon and overnight. Tomorrow morning we're ready to start hiking again. This is our little cabin.
With our lake, zebra bars. Love our coffee.
I'm wondering if it's normal to get a cramp when you're putting your crampons on. Usually red goes in the back on a car.
Yeah, you did it.
Yeah. We're gonna be walking in ice and snow today before it turns to slush. We're gonna see if our hands are strong enough to pull that all the way back. Yeah. Without snowshoes.
Good thing I have all my layers of clothes because I can't fit it in my backpack with our resupply.
Are you saying your backpack's full?
It's so full. I'm glad it's full.
So's
and
mine.
I'm glad it's snowing because I can't fit all my stuff in there. We're gonna have to do something. I don't know.
Good morning, friends and family. We are bundled up, 34 degrees, windy, snowing. We're heading that way. Shooting for 10 miles today, 7:05. Whew. We're walking up to the trailhead, and this is our first part of the trail in a couple of days. Whew. Took us a bit to find the trail, since we're the first ones out today, which is very unusual. How you feeling, honey?
Yeah, this is gonna be a different adventure for sure.
It's a lot more effort.
Kicking butt, taking names, honey.
That's right.
We got this.
We do. We're just gonna go slower.
Uh-huh.
We're going that way. Lead on, baby, lead on. God, I love that woman.
It's wobbling. That looks better. No problem.
As you see in this video, this beautiful, pristine creek and snow and all the beauty of it slowly turned to, oh my gosh, this is not good. So we started hiking in an actual creek. The trail turned into a creek.
How's it going, Bobby?
It's unbelievable. Wet and cold. Sweaty on the inside, wet on the outside.
I know, we're hiking in a creek bed right now. So the last thing we just passed, it wasn't clear how the trail was.
Yeah.
So it was a little confusing. My whole foot went in the water. Good thing I have a plastic bag in my shoe. But how many miles are we in outside of Mt Laguna?
We're more than 5 miles.
We're 5 miles outside of Mt Laguna. This is what it looks like after the storm, if you're thinking about heading out.
37 degrees Fahrenheit.
37 degrees. When the wind comes, it's a bit cold. The snow is like bullets when the wind comes hitting your face, but oh, look at the sun's coming out. Look at that.
The sun didn't eventually come out, and we ended up getting really cold that night. We ended up having to go into Julian to replace a lot of our gear because our tent's not working for us. Our sleeping bags got wet from condensation, and because it's not performing to my standards.
Yeah, his raincoat leaked completely through. Mine started to.
We praise the name of Jesus Christ.